Guys, it's gonna be my first tutorial video, so for sure it will be a lot of cuts on it and a lot of editing, so forgive me. The next one will be better, and the professional tutorials will be available soon on my website, link below. Hello, starting with some music, but it's not gonna be video about music. It's gonna be about Bitcoin and when to buy Bitcoin. On this chart, I will show you when I'm gonna start buying Bitcoin this cycle. And this cycle is almost starting now. Let me bring some investing plan. I can call it like this. You can see it on the screen now. So our investing plan is to, first, you have to designate the location of futures held. Before I start, I want to show you how long the typically bear market and bull market last. So this bear market lasts 413 days. It's about a year, 1 year long. From the previous top to the bottom, it's about a year. And then from the bottom to the next top, it's about 1,000 days, so 3 years. 3 years bull market, 1 year bear market. And next one, let's see. From the top to the bottom, 364 days, so it's 1 year. And another one. From the bottom to the top, about 1,000 days, 3 years. So 1 year, 3 years. So all the cycle lasts 4 years. 1 year bear, 3 years bull. And another one, from the top to the bottom, 1 year, 378 days, so 1 year. And from the bottom to next cycle top, the last one, it's about 1,000 days, it's approximately, so another 3 years. So now this market will last a year like before, so it's gonna end about October 2026. You can find it on the internet. It's gonna be April 28, less than 2 years from now. So it's gonna be here, this white line here, so it's gonna be next halving. Then from this line, take a measure tool and measure about 500 days. So 500 days will be approximately here, this green line. So 500 days before next halving will be November this year, November 26, as you can see here. It's gonna be our buying zone, but my buying zone is starting 3 months before this line and ends 3 months after this line. So I'm gonna buy 6 months starting August, but I'm not gonna buy every month. I'm gonna buy every week. So starting next month, August, I'm gonna buy 4 times in a month, every week, till the end of January 27. And then I have to measure 500 days after the halving. It's gonna be approximately August 29, and this will be our sell zone. This will be my sell zone. And then, like with buying, I'm gonna sell 3 months before and 3 months after, so it will be my sell zone. I'm gonna sell every week. So that's it. I don't have to do anything more. Just buy here in the buy zone and sell here in the sell zone. If you look at previous cycles, if you sell here, you can buy here with much discount. And if you buy here and sell here, you've got 8x. Previous one, if you sell here and buy here, will be very profitable to you. And if you buy here and sell here in the sell zone, you've got 18x profit. We can call it trading, but I don't call it trading because I buy 1 year and sell 3 years after. So it's like investing. But if you want to know how to start trading, you can go to the link in the description. You will see this simple page, and first you have to do to start is log into Lunavio trading platform and BitUnix, and then watch those two tutorials: how to start trading Bollinger Band trading strategy, and Lunavio, how to link Lunavio with BitUnix. So now I'm going to Lunavio, and after login, going to dashboard. And then first, let's see today's results. So today, Lunavio users made more than $2,000, and win rate was almost 97%. Today we've got how many? Today we've got 18 profitable traders. The best one earned more than $500, second one $450, and third one almost $300. You can see full ranking here, and the win rate, how many trades they made. The first person made 4 trades today, another one 3 trades, and this third one 10 trades today. To make your first backtest, you go to Crypto Intelligence, then Auto Trading, and then Backtest. Okay, and let's see the most important fields. Your starting capital, your initial capital. Let's say it is $10,000. Leverage can be from 1x to 50x. Then interval from 1 minute to 4 hours. Let's see, 15 minutes. And Bollinger Band breakout. Let's test 1%. Okay. And now confirmation filters. This field is for shorts and this for longs. So when RSI will be more than 80, we will open short position. If RSI will be less than 20, we will open a long position. We've got number of entries. So first entry will be, for example, $5,000. And another one, second one, $10,000. The second one will trigger after 5%. And these are take profit scaling. First take profit will be at 0.8%, and another one will be at 1%, for example. And we've got stop loss at 10%. Now we have to choose the period. Let's say it will be 30 days and run backtest. All right, and we've got the results. So we made 63 trades in this period, 30 days period. Our win rate was 98%. Account result $1,100, almost $1,200 in profit. Max drawdown 24%. Profile factor 178. And we can see Cardano was the top coin. Second one was Chainlink, and Litecoin was the third one. The worst coin was Uniswap. We lost almost 1,600 trading on Uniswap, so we can exclude this coin from our strategy. Yeah, we can run another test. Which one was it? Uniswap. We can run another back test without Uniswap. Let's see, Uni. Where is Uniswap? Yeah, it's here. And once again, 30 days. Run back test. So in this case, account results after 30 days is $2,800. So in this case, we've got 100% win rate, but remember, this is just back test. We don't know if the future will be the same. Account results almost $3,000. We've made 58 trades during this test. Okay. And if you want to run this test, you can save this test as a template. You can add the name like ABC, save template. I think in 2 weeks' time, I prepare professional tutorials like those two, and you will see how to make your backtest and how to trade live. If you've got any questions, you can join our Telegram group. Just click this link or go to lunavio.io, and then my communities, and you'll see the link to the Telegram group here. That was hard for me, and if you made it till the end of this video, you deserve a reward.